Hey guys, it's me, the Happy Cultivator, Urban Gardener, and I'm here with a little update on my 4x3 bed here. So I wanted to show you guys how my radishes are doing, my English breakfast radishes. They are about 3 weeks in here from actually putting them in the seed, in the ground, and they're already some harvestable here, it looks like. They're supposed to be a 30-day radish, but it looks like we're doing a little bit better than that. I even pulled one out here and looks pretty good. So I'm really happy on how this bed is doing. It is full of my special potting mix that I've shown you guys, a couple of different varieties that I've made up, but it's basically just garden soil, perlite, and a little sphagnum peat moss, and then some amendments added. And yeah, getting some great results already out of this 4x3 bed. As you can see, we've got some good lettuces here growing up real fast. A little fancy lettuce mix. Carrots are starting to go, and the peas are starting to crawl. So hopefully we'll get some peas here pretty soon. So with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.